Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I needed some pink chalk paint and didn't have any on hand, so I decided to make my own. I only needed a small amount, so I took the recipe I found online and cut it down. What you will need to make a small amount of chalk paint is 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of paint the color of your choice, and 3/4 tablespoons of water. I wanted a light pink paint, and all I had on hand was Diva Pink. It was a little bright for the side I wanted to paint. So I added the Diva paint to a clear plastic cup. I didn't measure the paint because the bottle was equal to the amount of paint I needed. I had only used a very small amount out of it. To lighten it up, I added a little white paint. I used a measuring spoon and added the baking soda to the paint, and then used it to measure out the water. I used a plastic fork to stir the mixture and remove the clumps. I stirred until the mixture was smooth. The color was still a little brighter than I wanted, so I added more white paint to the mixture and continued to stir. And that was it. The mixture was a little more chalky than I liked, so next time I will use a little less baking soda. I added the mixture to a little airtight container from Dollar Tree and used it to paint this cute little tiara tray sign. I'll leave a link in the description to the tiara tray DIY video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!